In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a two-factor authentication, 2FA, verification method on Wise. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your account security, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set it up. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Wise account. Open your web browser, go to the Wise homepage, and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be ready to secure your account with 2FA. Now the next step involves locating your profile icon. You can find this at the top right corner of your screen. If you hover over or click this icon, a menu will appear. From there, you should see an option that takes you to your account settings. After you've accessed your profile, look for the section labeled Security and Privacy. In most interfaces, this option will be clearly marked, making it easy for you to find. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page dedicated to your account's security settings. Once you're on the Security and Privacy page, you will need to locate the section that discusses two-step verification. This is crucial because it's where you'll be able to enable 2FA. Click on Two-Step Verification, and it should direct you to a new screen that breaks down the options available for enhancing your account protection. Now here's where you can start customizing your 2FA setup. There's an option to edit default settings that you will want to click. This allows you to select your preferred method of receiving the authentication codes that will be used to verify your identity. When it comes to two-factor authentication, using an authenticator app is often recommended for its security. If you prefer this approach, click on the option labeled Authenticator App. This method will typically involve installing an app on your smartphone that generates a time-based code that you will use to log in. After you select the Authenticator App option, the final step is to click on Update Default Method. This confirms your choice and ensures that moving forward, every time you log into your Wise account, you'll need that app to enhance your login security. And there you have it. You've successfully chosen a two-factor authentication method that will significantly increase the security of your Wise account. It may seem like an additional step, but trust me, it's well worth it for peace of mind and protecting your financial information. Remember, keeping your account secure doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few clicks on Wise, you can set up 2FA and enjoy greater protection for your personal data. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave your comments below. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to create more content just like this for you. Thanks for watching and happy banking with Wise.